I want to do one more video for Operation Kit Kat. Now we've done everything that we've wanted to do to plan for this in Google Earth, but now it's time to go trick-or-treating. And we can't take this screen with us. So we're going to want to print this out. So what I've done is added a few PowerPoint slides. I've got an overview slide, maybe a phase 1, a phase 2, and a phase 3 slide. And what we're going to do is take different screenshots from our Google Earth and put them to that PowerPoint slide. This first one is just going to be the overview. So I've navigated my Google Earth to where I can see everything on my screen. And I'm going to come up here to Edit and Copy Image. Now I'm going to come down here to PowerPoint and paste. There's my overview slide. Now I'm going to go to phase 2. Now what I'm going to do is zoom in a little bit closer for this next one. Maybe I just want this section right here when we start to begin from our home base and come down the street. So now once again, edit, copy image, go to my PowerPoint slide, paste. Phase 2 is going to be when we go into the new neighborhood right here. Edit, copy image, paste that. Oop, wrong one. Paste that to the right spot. And then lastly, our last phase is when we go from the home base location to the cool decoration house right there. Edit, copy that image, paste that there. And now I've got my overview, phase 1 of the operation, phase 2 of the operation, and then the last phase of the operation. And now what you can do is print this out, maybe print out multiple copies and give to your friends, put them in your pocket, and now you'll have a map to carry with you when you go trick-or-treating. Very importantly though, phase 4, enjoy Halloween. Thanks for watching and map your world.